Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you all safe. This is Abhishek reporting from the Bangalore and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how to change disk pad for the acces125. So let's get started. It is very important to change the disk pad rather than changing a disk when it's gone, completely gone. So I'm going to change it right now only. So I am going to tell you the procedure how to change the disk pad, and this is almost similar for the all type of scooters. So this is my acces125. You can see it's a 2017 model PS4 engine. So here you can see the disc, and if you want to check the condition of your disc pad, just see from down. You can see it's almost gone. You can see here this is almost gone. See, you can see now. So let's see. So we'll take a tool. I'm taking this. And this size is 15/32. And keep it in one place, or else there is a chance that you may lose. Just remove this with the size of 8 mm and respective to your scooter. I remove this, and after that you need to remove this, so this pad will come out. So remove this nut. In some you will get just clamps here. If you remove them in both of the side, so it will come out. In this acces125, they are given this nut. You need to remove this. This is also same 8 mm. So once you remove that, this clamp will come off. So this keep it aside. So you can remove easily this disc pads. See, these are almost gone. See, you can see here. This one is also seen. New brake pads. First we'll rub this somewhere else. First we'll rub this and we'll put it so that it will work well. So I have rubbed this on the cement surface, or else you can use the sandpaper also to use, but that is good for these things, these brakes, rubbing with the sandpaper. So I don't have now, so I am using that cement surface. So this is how it looks. Let's get started. We'll put inside now. Before that, so this is the cylinder, this is a piston. You need to push it back so that new brake pads can sit there. You need to push it back so it will go behind. So it's almost gone inside, you can see. So this is done now. What we'll do, so this thing should come outer side, and this one should come in inner side. So first we'll place this. So this is done, and we'll place outer side. So you can see both are fitted properly. Now take the hole and put them inside. Just make a little bit adjustment so it will go easily, like this, and tighten it. Give a little bit more pressure so that it won't come back. So this is done now. You can see fit it properly. So we'll place it back on the disc. So it will take some time to fit inside that disc. Try it, you can fit. So wow, sudden first attempt. So tighten this. You need to give more pressure because these are the moving things. And then put this back. Now you can see it's completely done. This everything is fixed. You can see from down. So after fixing them, just pump this till the time you will get this brake harder. If you do it for 10 seconds or 15 seconds, it will get harder. So you are ready to go. So after pumping that brake lever, just go for a ride for 4 or 5 kilometers. So it will be completely alright and it will work well. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to share my video and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.